Hello everybody. I have a unboxing of some boards. I noticed on these UPS labels, now this one don't have it, but this one does. Looks like it's got RFID or something on it. So, Cotty wants cookies. She's sitting here, but we're gonna open this up. This is more boards because I'm almost out of my other boards. I've got like 2 left. So, timed this pretty good. This is 3 kilograms from JLC PCB. She wants to get cut, doesn't she? Ugh. They really cram that into the box. We will be figuring out the new tariffs that are coming in. Looks like we're going to be going up a little bit on costs, I believe. But I think the Chinese government covers the tariffs on the outbounds. So these are boards. I just ordered a small lot. These are with 30 a piece. So these are for the older Miller 250DX with the flat face. Legacy machines. I still got a bunch of the ones for the more modern machines. They're not as popular as for the older machine for some reason. But I guess a lot of people say they prefer their older machine over the newer style. But these are, the factory ones are discontinued also from Miller. So you can still kind of get the ones for the modern machines, but you order them and they'll say they're out of stock. So I'm looking for your cookies. Gotta give Cotty her cookies. She helped. She watched. There's Cotty cookies. So I will have more of these in stock next week. So I think there's 2 left. Let me look over here. Yeah, I've got 2 left. So if you want one of those 2, it'll take me a week or 2 to get some of these assembled, but I'll get to them. So we'll catch you all later.